Hi, I just wanted to talk on this one about interior design services provided by a builder. And I'm going to today will just be more on a spec house or a home that it's not custom, it's more production oriented. In other words, it's a floor plan that is going to be repeated or almost repeated over and over again. But what the builder wants is decisions. They want decisions on the flooring, the cabinets, the countertops, the paint, the lighting, the plumbing fixtures, all those things that they can build a house. And so they will often say that with building their house, they will provide interior design services. But people don't understand that it's a very limited scope of interior design services, and that's why I call it building finishes selection. And so just to be clear, it's usually like 5 to 8 hours. It's a limitation. You just need to pay attention to what that means. It doesn't mean they're going to necessarily help you pay for all your design and selection of your window treatments and things like that. It's not that at all. So just be aware. So I'm going to the spec. I've done this for a client of mine, and I helped design and went through the whole full service with him on his custom home. And he owns the property, and now he's developing for these spec houses, and he's partnered with a builder to do them. And I don't do this work really anymore, but I'm doing this because I just like these people. But this is where I learned a lot about construction. Is years ago when I really, especially when I moved to Ohio about 28 years ago, that I really cut my teeth and learned a lot doing, and it started in more of a semi-custom production design build. And I'm going to do a bigger video on that of what design build is versus design build, totally custom. In fact, I thought I was going to start with this, but I think I just right now want to make this point of what it is that you need to be aware of, that when they say provide interior design services, you really need to check out what that means. So today, I'm doing a little bit because this is who I am. I just can't stop just picking things. I'm going on site, and I'm meeting with the trim carpenter to go over a couple special millwork details, and they want me to review the plumbing before they pull the trigger on the plumbing. I'm just really excited to see where it is. I haven't seen it. I haven't been on site at all. So it's all been on plans and drawings. So let's go see what the house looks like, okay? Our little house is looking cute. So is the laundry room, like the blue cabinets. Yeah, I'm walking through all the bathrooms and kitchen to make sure the plumbing is right. We are going to come back to this as a millwork project that they would like me to be involved in. The cabinets are done. But yeah, like the details on millwork, built-ins and things like that, that is usually beyond the what I call builder finishes, but I am doing some extra things for this one because I say I really like working on these types of projects and love seeing them. I mean, I just love new construction, so love being on the job.